Hello everyone, welcome to tonight's Devlog. I want to go over the things that we are working on. The last video that we published from the VR app is quite a while ago, already 7 months. There's been a lot of things in the background that's been happening. Small videos, I try to show a bit what models we've been working on. We actually published all. Oh, we didn't publish all of it yet, but we're working on it. We were planning to publish all of the models for this VR Firetruck VR project on our Sketchweb account, and so yeah, like in the spirit of firefighters, that everyone in the community can use those, and yeah, there's already a bit of traffic, which is nice. And yeah, go check them out if you want. They are for free, and yeah, with Creative Commons attribution, not commercial license. And so yeah, there are quite more coming. Here's a incomplete list on Polycam on which models that we still have to process, and so yeah, you can expect more that they'll be coming. Then yeah, like I said, we want to publish a bit of the progress updates here on the YouTube channel, but also on Instagram and also in the Discord. For example, there was a friend. There's a friend that actually building the same. That's working on the same truck. He's in the same firefighter station, and he is building it in miniature, which is pretty cool. And he's using some of our models to create to fill the compartments, and that's been really fun to see that he can use our models. For example, the water attack hose and the nozzle, and here the fire extinguisher. And yeah, so feel free to join our Discord server if you would like. There's some exchange about firefighters, about VR, and yeah, would be nice to see you there. And so yeah, we have been working inside Unity on the truck. On the truck, there's not a lot of things happening at the moment. The main focus is on getting all of the models in. Also, we had we've built the fire station, and here we have some models, and I kind of try to put here some structures. So we have the ones that we just imported into Unity. Then we have the ones that are in progress, and then we have the ready for VR test table where I can put on the headset and then test them out. And yeah, that which started, so we see how this goes. The only model that is already like kind of finished from start to end is the fire extinguisher with grab points and everything. I don't have yet a relay system set up where I can like test the test like hands and stuff. We bought the Hurricane VR framework, which handles all of the hand tracking, or not hand. We don't have support hand tracking yet. The controllers tracking, physics simulation, and especially the grab points. So, for example, the yellow dot that you see here that simulates a grab point, which can be configured like this. Can be configured to which position the hand will be when grabbing it in VR. And so yeah, we've been working on this to get all of the models that we're currently working on to get them inside Unity and to show them, to test them out, how it feels and everything. And for me, the next thing that I'll be working on is the interaction with the truck, so that we have probably with raycast that you can like lift it up and put it inside the truck, maybe also take it outside with your hand. But yeah, the idea was for a truck configurator. That's like the ultimate goal. That someone there was a company, Foimotech, that is interested in a truck configurator, and there they want to position the equipment at different positions. So that will be the next thing that I will be working on. The other guys from the team, Jurand and Yachin, they will work on those models, and from time to time I will test them in VR. And yeah, then we are looking also forward to like animate doors and the shutter doors here eventually, also in the back, that you can take the hose reels apart away and, for example, put down the ladder, go up, or open here the engine cap, call it maybe. Then you can, at some point, you can work on the engine, like start the water pump and everything. But that's future music. For now, the biggest goal is to get all of the parts scanned in the truck, because apparently the truck will be replaced in soon. Will be replaced in April, beginning of April. The truck will be replaced. So we're quite a bit in a hurry, but there's still quite a bit to do. But we did already scan this compartment, this things in the back here, and here as well, here as well. I think some need recapture, 1 or 2, and then this compartment, some of the stuff here in front. Apparently some of the things, they will be reused, yeah, but we actually want to capture the full truck before it goes into retirement after 20 years of excellent service. And yeah, also here on the on the top, here this is still an old truck model, so in the newer ones there's no, for security reasons, they don't have any boxes on top anymore, or if they have, when you go up, then I think they have a barrier that's going up on the side automatically. So yeah, and yeah, so this is the team that is currently helping with all of this stuff, and it's been pretty exciting to work on it until now, even though the progress is slow, because everyone is doing this a bit on the side, and yeah, we try to move slowly but consistent. And so I hope you will learn something, or maybe share something, or hope in the end that this project will help people to know more about their equipment and know more about the stuff that is in the trucks. And there will be also fun to see different truck models from all around the world eventually, that someone else can capture his truck, and then we can maybe add it to the app or something like this. That'd be really nice. Here on the Sketchfab, I tried to make a visual of the progress, but then I found out that Sketchfab has a very tight limit with annotations. If you want more, then you have to pay much more. And yeah, eventually, yeah, it's not really necessary for everyone to see on which model is working what. So I will probably just remove those again. And yeah, there is a demo web app that we started, where I recreated the whole Sketchfab annotation system, or at least I started. And basically it is scalable, and it works. And this is oops, that goes back to the homepage. This is the repository is open, so it's open source. If you want, you can check it out. And it includes, sorry to go back here, this is a model viewer from Google that is used here, which is quite nice to integrate into website. So yeah, those are things that we have been working on the last half year. And we also were working on a first project for a client, which was this breathing apparatus. They want to have this in their web shop so that people can look at it, which is I think really nice. That's a potential small niche of a market that we can provide 3D models for web shops that clients can look at a bit more, or that the clients of our client can look a bit more in detail on the product they want to buy. And so this was a first project. Yes, so that was it, I guess. And yeah, hope to see you in the next devlog. Have a good one.